Legal speed passage 120 WPM. Start. Challenge in this appeal is to the order passed by the division bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court dismissing writ petition filed by the appellant under Article 226 of the Constitution of India 1950. Prayer in the writ petition was to quash the award dated 23 September 2004, under which the respondent number 1 was directed to be reinstated with continuity of service with 50% back wages within stipulated time. The award was made by the presiding officer Patiala. The matter was before the Labour Court on the basis of the complaint made by respondent number 1. Paragraph. The brief facts of the case are that respondent number 1, workman, was appointed as bulldozer operator with the petitioner management on 1 November 1990. Since his appointment was on 89 days basis, the same was extended from time to time till 5 July 1996. Thereafter, his services were not extended. The workman raised an industrial dispute on the ground that his services were terminated by the management on 15 July 1996 without any notice, charge sheet, enquiry or compensation, and that the juniors to him are still in service of the management and new persons were also appointed by the management after terminating his services. The government referred the dispute to the Labour Court for adjudication under section 10 in bracket 1 and under bracket C of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, and the Labour Court on 23 September 2004 made the award, which was challenged before the High Court. Para. The stand of the petitioner management is that respondent number 1, workman, was engaged as bulldozer operator on 89 days basis, and in that stopgap arrangement he had worked from 1 November 1990 till 15 July 1996, but intermittently he was never employed continuously, therefore did not work for 240 days in the preceding 12 calendar months. Thus, denial of further extension of his service does not amount to retrenchment, therefore has been wrongly awarded reinstatement with back wages. The Labour Court has not appreciated the fact that since the petitioner department is not an industry, the services of respondent number 1 were not governed by the aforestated Act. Para. The Labour Court held that Section 2 of the Act has no application to the facts of the case. In any event, the workman had completed 240 days of work in several years. The appellants took the stand that respondent number 1 have not completed 240 days of work in any calendar year. He never worked continuously. The employer was not an industry. The Labour Court held that there was no compliance with requirement of Section 25 capital F of the Act. The question whether department is an industry has to be decided against the management for want of evidence. The onus was on the department to prove that the workman worked only 180 days and not completed 240 days in the preceding 12 calendar months from the date of alleged termination. Since no records were produced by the department, the claim has to be accepted. In the writ petition before the High Court, it was categorically urged by the appellant that no appointment order was produced. Stop.